Give me your hand. There you go.
There he goes. Good job.
It's dripping out the side. Here.
Good job, Odin.
Yum.
Odin, are you feeding yourself? Yeah, Aunt Mary Beth and Grandma won't feed you, so you got to do it all by yourself.
Next time we come, you have to get in the refrigerator by yourself and get your own food. You ready? More? More? Oh, wait a minute. I got on the seatbelt.
Good job, Odin. That's tasty, huh? You like that? Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Did you say please, Odin?
It's probably not a good thing to give it to him while he's screaming. Then he learns.
Good.
Smile happy.
Yeah.
Look at him slow. Come on, look. It's in here. Can you get it? Okay, look. Give me your hand.
There you go, boy. Yeah. Let's go get the can open. You can learn how to do that, Odin.
Try.
Yum,
You can
yum.
get it. It's not. Okay.
Good job. Good job, big guy.
Look at how he slid down. The seat needs to come forward, more forward. This is how, to me, it seems like it's too loose. Aunt Mary Beth, please, open up. Yum. Open up. Open up. Open up. I can't. Looks like it's this. Let's see if you can reach for it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me have it. Let me have it. Oh. The famous "Let's make a mess."
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, yum, yum. What are you going to do when it's all done? Hmm? What are you going to do when it's all done? Hmm? It's almost done, Odin. Yep.
Yeah, that's good stuff. Huh?
Guess what? You're at the bottom of the barrel. You are. Look, it's all done. What are you going to do? Let's see what
You
happens.
have to lick it off your face. Oh, there you go.
Go for it.
Yum, yum. Oh, what's that?
I forgot about the carpet.
What is that? Yeah, that's cool, huh? Yeah, I hope you don't cut your gums.
There.
Good job, Odin. Yeah, you're feeding yourself. Wow.
Are you liking that?